My dad has like the loudest voice, and my downstairs is like vaulted ceilings, and so it carries all the way up. I'm like, Dad, you're being loud. Okay. I got through most of these except for the last two. I didn't quite know how to do, so hopefully.
Oh, okay. I hadn't started on the quiz until like a few minutes ago. I did the homework, but I hadn't gotten to the quiz yet. But it looks pretty easy.
Yeah, it wasn't that hard. It was just like the last three, I got weird numbers, so I didn't know if I was doing it right or not. It's kind of.
Okay.
All right. Okay, Zach, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Let's see. Number 3, I got the third one.
Oh, can I use my phone? Join this with my phone. This is kind of hard to multitask.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
All right, I'll be right back.
Yeah, we'll wait for you.
Okay.
How are your other classes going?
And not so great.
Oh, no.
They're okay. Like, I think I had an A in this class until the exam. I think that took me down to a B. I was so sad.
Yeah, that was a hard test.
Yeah.
There were some of them where I was like, I know we've talked about this, but I don't remember it, like, at all.
Right. And I feel like I can get things on, but I'm awful with testing. Like, I second guess myself in
Yeah.
like 5 different equations, even though I don't know.
Yeah, it was. And some of them were like questions from last chapters, not from this current chapter. And I wasn't prepared for that.
It threw me off, yeah.
Are y'all talking about the test?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I thought I'd do really, really good because I'm usually really good with. I've been doing all right in this class.
Yeah.
I did like 87 or 86.
That's pretty good.
It's still good. I got a 68, I think. It was so bad.
I got an 80, but it was hard. Like why?
I bombed it.
And I felt like the wording wasn't like the same as what we've been talking about, and so I didn't feel like it was that fair of a test. I don't know. I mean, it was. I don't know. I don't know. I don't expect it to be easy, but at least be representative of what we've been learning. Yeah. Okay. All right. So you ready, Zachary? Is that better?
Yeah, I'm ready. I can do the I can do the test and pay attention to y'all. So this is good.
Okay, good. Number 3, I got the third one.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Number 4, the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Number 5, the true proportion.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 6, the sample size.
Yeah, I got that too.
And so how did you get number 5, that was the true proportion?
It was just in the note or in the text.
Oh, okay. It wasn't like anything you had to solve?
No,
No. That one I was trying to, okay.
Yeah, no. So the P is the true population proportion, and then the P with the little caret above it is the sample proportion.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and then number 7, I didn't know if we were supposed to round up. So I got 14 if we round it up, but if we don't round up, I got 13.3.
13.3?
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to be just to round to 3 decimals, so I think you're good.
I did 40.
You got 40?
Yeah, because n times p has to equal or be greater than 10.
Okay, you know what? I got 40 the first time I did it too. Where did I? But then for the second, but then for like when the P, what's the other half of that? When P also has to be greater than, where did I write? Because I got 40 also. But then when I did the 0.75 one, oh, wait. Oh, when I did the n times 1 minus 0.25, that's when I got 14. So do we only, does it, because it has to satisfy both, right? So it's asking for the smallest one.
Oh, that's true. I didn't look at the second one.
So
That'd be like a negative number for sure.
Yeah, well, it's, so if you do 1 minus the 0.25, which is the 1/4, so then you get 0.75n, and if you divide 10 by 0.75, you get like 13.333. But you know, in like the last chapter, it says when you're solving for n, you're supposed to round up.
Right.
So I don't know.
Wait, you wouldn't do that here.
You wouldn't?
Yeah, I took this class before.
Yeah.
And you don't. It's wait, we're talking about n, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Never mind. You wouldn't have a decimal.
Okay, so you would round up, right, to 14?
Yeah, you would either round up or round down. I don't know what you would do here.
Because, okay, so in the last chapters when we did the n calculations, they always said to round up. Do you think that applies here?
I don't know. That's a good question.
I don't either.
You'd probably round down because that's what they
You think you round
they
up?
had us do in the margin of error equation.
Right, okay.
Oh no, you would round up in those you rounded up in those situations. You would. So I'm using a bad example. If we're supposed to round down,
Okay.
because those situations you always rounded up.
So for this one, do you think you round up or do you round down?
I think you round up.
Round up to like 14?
Well, yeah, probably.
So is that, okay, so going, Lexi, do you know how we're getting this? I feel like we're just rambling.
Yeah, but I just left it at 13.333, but I didn't realize that we'd have to round.
Well, see,
So
that's what I don't know.
follow the rounding process.
Right. I mean, because it doesn't say, like, there's no, like, even in the book, they give you a number that, like, rounds out evenly, so you don't know. That's what I'm wondering.
Like, there's no example of them
Yeah.
rounding
Mm-mm.
something. Yeah. I know, that's what I was trying to find too right now.
But Zachary, is that the right way to figure that out, though?
I think so, but I'm just confused because you'd multiply, and it's got two conditions that may be satisfied. And the first one, if you multiplied 1/4 by 14, that would not equal greater than or be equal to 10.
It's not?
No, it wouldn't be. Because 14 times 1/4 is really 3 point something, and that's not greater than 10. And it fits the second part of the equation. I'm just not the first.
Well, but can there be two values? Because they're asking what's the smallest n that satisfies the requirement. But you're right, but it has to be both. It has to satisfy both. So would it be 40 then?
Well, n for the second equation, you'd have n times 1 minus 40. I mean, you'd have 40 times. Oh yeah, that would work. 40 times 3/4 is definitely greater than or equal to 10. So, and that's the smallest number, 40.
Because
So that'd be
the
yeah, that would be the smallest number for the first part would be 40. 'Cause anything less than 40 would be less than 10 because it's a fraction you're multiplying by.
right, right. Oh, I see.
It's a reciprocal. It's a reciprocal. It has to be. I mean, it's not reciprocal, but it's a fraction. So
Right.
the number has to be big.
Okay, I see what you're saying. That makes sense. Does that make sense, let's see?
Yeah. I plugged it into the first one. I was just plugging into the second one to see what he was talking about.
Right. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so for 8, I got 0.4.
I got that too.
Okay. 9, I got 0.1.
Okay, sorry. 8 was 0.4.
Yeah, because the mean of P with the caret above it is the population mean also.
And so 9 was 0.1.
Yeah, did you get 0.1 for 9, Zachary?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. 10, I got 0.3.
I got 0.35.
Okay, how did you do that?
Ooh, it's that would be it would be the in the very beginning of the lesson they say what P with the hat on top is.
Yeah.
And that would be the amount per event per number of events that you're looking at.
Right.
So since we're looking at her baseball hits, which are 35 out of 100, it'd be 0.35.
I see. Okay, that makes sense. So then going back then to number 8. Oh, never mind. I see what I meant. Okay, so number 8 asks the mean of P, which is also the mean, which is the population mean, right? Those two are the same, but when it's just asking P, or what is the like not what the mean is, but what the value is P, that's when you use the X over N, right?
When it's asking for P hat, that's or the P with the sign above it. It means it's asking for the event per sample.
Right. Okay.
I mean events per total number of events you're looking at.
Okay.
Or the proportion, the sample proportion.
Right. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. 11 then, I probably didn't do this right because I didn't, oh wait, maybe I did. 11 I got 0.046.
I got a different value, but I'm not sure if I did the math right.
Oh wait, maybe I didn't do the math right. Standard deviation.
I got 0.05, but I'm sure I did it wrong.
Okay, so if we have P, what formula did you use, Lexi?
It's the standard deviation, right? Where it's the square root with everything inside.
Yeah, okay. That's so P equals 0.35. No, that's not 0.3.
Look at the calculator. Try again.
0.3 times.
Oh no, no, it's 0.045. But then I think what I did was I just rounded the 2 decimals. But wouldn't you round it to 3 so it would be 0.046?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, duh. Yeah, that is what you put.
No, that's fine. No, I'm glad that you checked it too, because I wanted to make sure that's good. Okay, Zachary, did you redo that and get that same answer?
Yeah, I got 0.4046.
Okay, perfect. Okay. And then for the z-score, I got one for number 12, 1.087.
Yep.
That's what you got?
Mm-hmm.
Zachary, did you get that?
I need to plug into the app.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, this is Z-score. Never mind. That's going to be easier. Y'all are so fast.
Well, no, I had done this last night, so.
Okay. All right. What was the Z-score you got?
1.087.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is it positive number?
Yeah.
Because let's see. Oh, wait. I had the wrong thing. Yeah, mine should be just the opposite. That's positive.
Okay.
Yeah. So I would get the same thing. It would be 0.109.
Okay. Yeah. So I think you're supposed to do it to 3 decimal places. So 1.087.
Oh yeah. Wait, that's 4.
Wait, he said 0.10 something. I think, well, we got 1.087. So how did you get 0.1?
Wait.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let me just check. Yeah, I got the same thing. It was 0.107.
Okay. How are you doing it? What's your formula that you're using?
Um, the value minus mean over the standard deviation.
Okay. So
So
0.35
it'd be,
minus 0.3
mm-hmm.
over 0.046.
Oh, wait. Oh, I think I did that. Oh, I used my old value.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, it should be. I still got a number under 1 though.
Okay. Let me read. This means 0.3. Oops. 0.35 minus 0.3. Divide that by. Okay, I'm still getting 1.087. You're doing 0.35 minus 0.3 over 0.046.
Yeah, I think I got it now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's wait. It's I put did you put 0.046 for the standard deviation?
0.046, yeah.
Oh, let me think. Okay, I put 0.460,
Okay.
but I thought that was what we got for the standard deviation.
No, we got 0.046.
Oh, okay, that's probably my error. That's probably why it's exactly
It's like,
different
yeah.
by like one, like
Yeah.
a hundredth power or something.
Yeah, yeah.
I think I would get the same thing as you then.
Okay. So 1.087.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay. Number 13, I got 0.862.
And how did you do that one? Like, what formula did you use?
I put that into the applet. So I put our z-score into the applet and then selected everything to the right of, because they're saying at least 35 hits. So I did the middle and the section to the right.
Okay.
But I wasn't sure if we were supposed to do the middle section or just the right side.
Okay.
Yeah, it was, she's getting more than 35 hits. We're seeing if she can get more than 35 hits.
You're saying at
per
least
100.
35. So that's why I did the middle section too, is because they're saying at least. So I didn't know, but I didn't know. So do you only do like to the right and not the middle?
Yeah, you would do whatever's above the z-score we got, because it's a more than statement.
Okay. Okay. Did you put that in?
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. So it would be 0.136. I mean, sorry, 1.139.
1.139.
Yeah, it would be.
0.139.
So just 0.139.
Yeah. Is that what you got, Zachary, too?
Yeah, 1.39.
1.39 or 0.139?
0.139. My bad.
Okay. No, that's
Yeah. It wouldn't be greater than 1.
right. Okay. So for these next three, I got really weird numbers. So I don't, like for number 14, I got, let's see, what did I get? I think I got 0.000. Did you guys get that?
I thought we just did 14.
I got
139. Wait, are you talking about 14?
Yeah, number 13 was 0.139.
Oh, did I skip one?
I think I got for 14. Oh, wait, are we in 13 or 14?
We're on 14. Lexi's catching up, I think. Like,
Wait,
are
so
you caught up?
Oh, okay.
I have all of them filled in, and so what was 12?
12 was 1.087.
Okay, I have that down, and 11 was 0.046, right?
Uh-huh.
So I had like 0.862 written in for some reason. Okay. I don't know what I did. So 14 was 0.13.
I don't know. That 14 we don't know. I got 0, but I don't think that's right. Zachary, what did you get?
I got 0.011.
Okay, so if P, so you did the P, 0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 over 2,000, right?
I got, yeah, I did that.
Okay.
Point 0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 over 2,000 square root.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I don't think I did the square root. That's my problem. Why do I always forget that?
Hey, I just realized I think April's trying to speak to us.
Who is?
Gabriel? I mean, Jamie?
Is he?
Let me just check.
Okay. Okay,
Oh,
no?
yeah, oh, whoops. I thought this would be easy to do. You probably can't see me now.
No.
Yeah, he's trying to speak to us, but I'm, yeah. I don't know what we should say. We're almost done.
I know. Let's see. Let's just, let me just tell him. Okay. Okay, I got the same thing that you got then, like the 0.011.
Yeah, I got 0.011.
Okay, that makes so much more sense than what I was trying to figure out. Yeah, that helps. I was getting like really not right numbers. So how did you get the value then for the z-score? How did you calculate the value?
For 15, right?
Yeah.
True value would be, I mean, the value would be 0.52. I mean, the value would be p hat, and since we're looking at 50%, it'd be 0.5. That's the value.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And we're subtracting 0.52 and dividing that by the standard deviation we get.
Okay, which was 0.011.
Yeah.
Okay, 0.5 minus 0.52. Divide that by 0.0.
So it's negative 1.818.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, I got that too. I mean, that's what I got, obviously.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay. So then we put that into the applet for the z-score and then do to the left of the curve, right?
Yeah, that's right. What would be the left of it?
So 0.035.
Yeah, well, let me think. I think I rounded down or something. I'm so close, but I'm not there.
So the answer that comes up in the applet is 0.0345.
Yeah, I missed. I don't know how I missed one digit, but that's the value that I would get if I did it right.
Okay.
If I followed my own calculations.
Okay. I'm going to submit this and then we will see what we get here. $100%.
What?
What?
That's so much nicer than the past weeks that have been so like frustrating.
Right? I know, for real. This one was a little bit more straightforward. Okay, cool.
Sweet.
All right, everybody got all the answers in?
Yeah, I got all the answers.
Perfect.
Oh wait, I put one wrong. I was off on something. I knew it. Right, for question 10, I put 0.3.
Question 10. Yeah, it's 0.35. Do you want me to read these answers back to you?
Or I can open it. I'll do it in another window. I won't keep you longer.
It's okay. It'll only take us a second.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah.
Let me take.
So did y'all like suffer because of daylight savings?
We don't switch in Arizona, so I'm good.
Oh, I was about to I couldn't get up Sunday because it was a 1 hour back,
Yeah.
and I just went to bed at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I don't get affected at all. It's great.
Yeah, I liked that when I was in Arizona for my mission.
Yeah.
It was nice not having to worry about daylight savings. I mean, they always change it every year, and it's like so annoying.
I know. I used to hate it when we lived in Nevada, but now we've been here for 8 years, and I love it. It's great. It's the best.
Okay. Sorry. So the question 3 was the third one, right?
Question 3. Yeah, the third one.
And question 4 was also the third one.
Yep, the last one. And then true proportion.
Sample size.
Yep.
Okay, and then 7.
40.
And 8.
0.4.
Lexi,
9.
what other classes are you taking?
So I have this business statistics, and then I have business law and financial accounting, and then a religion, and then world foundations.
Oh, okay.
What about you?
I'm doing. I'm taking this class and a math class, but I plan to take 4 more classes next semester, and then I'll be on my way to what I want to do, and I'll get my associates.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm so bad. I'm so close. It's annoying and a good thing at the same time.
Yeah. Don't you think it's annoying though taking more than one math class? Because that's what I find. I keep mixing like my accounting stuff with this math stuff.
Oh yeah, that'd be annoying.
And then like since it's both business, like my accounting and my business law kind of mix. Like they kind of say the same things here and there too. So it's like I'm mixing when I'm talking to groups in one class. I start referencing the other, and I just lose myself. I'm like Sorry. Okay, number 9.
It's number 9 is 0.1.
And 10.
0.35.
That's the one I screwed up. 11.
0.046.
Okay. And 12.
1.087.
Okay. And 13.
0.139.
14.
0.011.
Okay.
Negative 1.818.
Okay.
And 0.035.
All right, I'm gonna submit. Yeah, I'm trying to go for my bachelor's. So
Oh, you are?
yeah, I think this is only
In
my
what?
in business management.
Oh, okay. Cool. I was gonna do that. I mean, I was thinking about doing that because that's kind of the area what I want to do, which is accounting, but
Oh, nice.
not quite. And I'd rather have the closest thing to what I want to do.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I should be done if I like stay full time online, like work crazy, then I should have my bachelor's like in 2018, but
Well, that's good.
for the semester I'm like, I don't know that I can do full time. Maybe add one more semester to that plan, I don't know.
Hard. You guys are doing good. That's good.
What about you, Jordan?
I'll finish with my bachelor's next year. Probably, hopefully spring. So like 2 more semesters, I think.
Oh, nice.
We'll see. That means like taking 4 classes this semester, like next semester and the semester after. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. It might not be till like December of next year, but it's in a year. Either way.
Yeah. Either way, get it
Yeah,
done.
I just want to be
What-
done.
What are you going into?
Business management.
Oh, you're doing the same thing.
Yeah. It
Nice.
just made the most sense with like all my transfer credits from when I was in college before we got married. And so it was the easiest thing to transfer over, not have to like restart everything.
That makes sense.
Yeah, because I was also going for accounting, but since I don't have an online accounting degree, I had to go this route.
Mm.
Yeah.
So I switched my emphasis to finance, which is nice that they offer that now. So
Yeah. That's cool.
yeah, so I'm almost done. But I'm ready to be done. I've been going to school for a lot of years. I'm finished.
You're like a lot of years.
A lot of years. Like my husband teases me. He's like, you should be like a doctorate with with like a PhD by now. Like, I'm like, yeah.
Well, isn't that fascinating that I've had like a couple friends like that, and they're like, "Why don't I have anything yet?" I just kept.
Seriously. Seriously. Well, I took some time off to have kids and then work, I mean,
Yeah.
but still, I'm like, ah, it's been a long. See, I've been out of high school it'll be 17 years this year. So I should have been like way done and like just something.
But it happens. That's life.
It does.
crazy.
And I keep thinking, at least I went back and I'm finished. So
Exactly.
I think my mom, she's going back and she's been doing school for a long time just because she has to do a few at a time.
yeah,
And she works some part of the day too. So,
yeah.
but she's so close now. So
It's
It's
like
so
right
cool.
there in the grasp, you're like, it's so close. I just got a little bit longer and then it'll be over and it'll be worth it. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's good. A lot of people are going back to school. So it's good. It's really good. Education is so good for you.
Mm-hmm.
You guys voting today?
yeah, I just voted this morning.
Job.
Yeah, I mailed mine in last week, I think.
Good.
You too?
Yeah, I have my ballot. I just have to go drop it off. So
Nice.
it's so important to vote.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's scary, but it's important.
It is scary, but you gotta pick the lesser of 2 evils, I guess, right now. It's kind of how it looks, but
Yeah.
all right. Well, anything else, you guys?
I think I'm good. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thank you. So we'll see you Thursday. This time works good for you guys still?
Yeah.
Can I do 12:30s from now on?
12:30. So that's 10. That'll be Lexi 9:30 for you.
Okay.
Is that for you or no?
Yeah, it works for me. I would just have to switch. On Thursdays, I have my law meeting at 9:30, but they always bump it till later, like the day of. So I'll just tell them we might as well just plan for a later time.
Okay.
That's fine. We can stick with that. So 9:30 for us and 12:30.
9:30 for you. It's 10:30 for me now because I didn't switch.
Oh gosh.
No, I didn't switch time, so it's good. Zachary, I think are you 3 hours ahead of Lex? What time is it for you?
It's 12:15 right here.
Okay.
So
So he's 3 hours ahead of you, right, Lexi?
yeah.
Yeah, so that would be 9:30 for you.
Okay.
And
That's
do you want to do that on Tuesdays too, Zachary, or just Thursdays?
Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Okay.
It'd be helpful.
okay.
I can do that. Can you do that, Lexi?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. The only complication I have is next Tuesday. We can talk about it on Thursday. I have an appointment with my daughter at 10. So if you could push it back a little bit, or we can meet Monday.
Yeah, we can just have it earlier that day. It should be fine.
Okay.
But
I would need it to-
generally, I might need it at 12:30.
okay. So if we
Yeah.
do it earlier on Tuesday, I have to pick her up at like 9:40 my time. So that's 8:40. So we would have to do it like 8 for Lexi and 11 for you, Zach, on Tuesday.
Yeah, that'd be okay.
That's okay for Tuesday? Is
Yeah.
that okay with you,
Yeah.
Lexi? That's early for you. What?
Okay.
Is that too early for you?
You're talking to me or Zachary?
You.
Oh no, that's fine.
Okay, so Tuesday the 15th, we'll do at 8 for Lexi, 11 for Zach. And then going forward, we'll do 9:30 for you, Lexi, 12:30 for you, Zachary.
Okay.
Is that okay? I'll send an email so that we have it.
Yeah, because we'll get confused. But yeah, I get it.
Okay, perfect. All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. You guys have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Thanks. See you Thursday.
See ya. See
Okay.
you then.
Bye.
Oh, bye.